Good day, everyone. I'd like to show you how to check and test a magnetron and transformer for proper operation. I've already removed the components. I'll also need a multimeter. First, I test the magnetron. I set the multimeter to continuity mode. First, I need to test the magnetron plug. First, I check the multimeter for proper operation by crossing the probes. The multimeter reads 0, which means the multimeter is working. The plug rings, and the reading is 0, so everything is fine here. Next, I check for breakdown on the case. I place one probe on the plug contact, the second probe on the case, and it shows one, no breakdown. I also check the contact of the second plug in this way. Everything is fine here too. Next, I check the condition of the antenna. I hold one probe on the case, the other on the antenna. The continuity reading is 0, which means everything is fine here too. Next, I check the transformer and the primary winding and set the multimeter to continuity mode. I'm checking these two contacts. They ring, which is good. Now I'm checking each contact for breakdown to the case. There's no breakdown, which is excellent. Now set the multimeter to 200 ohms. Check the probes. Everything is fine. Now these two contacts of the primary winding, the reading is 4.1 to 4.2 ohms. The parameters are normal. Acceptable readings are 2 to 5 ohms. Next, we check the secondary winding. To do this, set the multimeter switch to 2000 ohms resistance. Place the first probe on this contact and use the second probe to find ground on the case. The resistance shows 237 ohms, which is normal. The resistance limit here is 100 to 250 ohms. The resistance should be stable, without fluctuations. Also, if you notice that the transformer is humming and smoking, it is also unusable. Thank you for your attention. Like, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, ask in the comments. Goodbye.